What's up everybody, Jay Styles, All Things Styles. Welcome to another video. If you guys are new here, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. That helps the channel grow. Speaking of growth, we're almost at 2,000 subs. That is awesome. One step closer to that 10,000 goal. Once we get there, we're going to give away heat press and some vinyl. Speaking of vinyl, I've got a ton of it. So this week, it's going to be a week full of vinyl reviews. You guys, let me know your thoughts. When you guys are looking for a vinyl, what do you guys look for in a vinyl? Put those in the comments below. And at the end of the week, I'll share mine with you as well. But before we get into this video, as always, let me shout the squad out. Mike Tees, 12 Gun Apparel, Your Dating Lifestyle. Also, hashtag squad, Facebook group. Check us out. The link is in the description below. It's awesome. Saturday nights, yeah, we go live. Some of your favorite YouTubers. Yeah. No name droppings, but seriously though, check us out. Hashtag squad. It's in the description. So today's video, we're going to work with Flock vinyl. So our vinyl is Flock. We have our presets. Don't forget to make sure your image is mirrored. Send to the cutter. Do you guys mind that sound? Or do you guys enjoy it? To me, it's like the sound of money. Yep, I can listen to it all day. In fact, the rest of the video, just next, the weeding. You got your weeding tool. You just find your corner on the design. Go ahead and pull or peel, however you want to say it. You're just going to remove the excess vinyl. So how's it going out there on this fine Monday? That's what's up. I truly hope you guys are being positive and productive, but above all, hope you guys are being kind. I mean, why not? Also, why not subscribe to the channel? That's free like the kindness. You guys should really subscribe to the channel. It's free. And this Flock vinyl, it weeds pretty well. Like I said in the earlier video, you get that feltness. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish weeding this out, and then we'll catch up when the heat presses set the temperature, and then, you know, like we always do, we'll wrap a bit, catch up. Yeah, that's what's up. Okay, so after a slight temperature change from 327 to 320, we're ready to press. We're going to use this sweatshirt here. It's going to be a Jersey New Blend 50/50. Gonna give it a pre-press 3 to 5 seconds, get any kind of moisture out. So, how's it going for you guys out there? That's what's up. We're like almost 30 days into the new year. You guys' plans moving along? Nice. Also, don't forget the lint brush. Here's our image. It's going to be 3 fingers down from the collar. And for good measure, no pun, we're going to break out our ruler. And we'll just call that good enough. And again, 17 seconds. We may go for 20, and we'll see the final product. Yep, 10,000. Turn the press off. And this is going to be a warm peel, so we'll let it cool a bit. And so once again, you guys stay tuned. A week's worth of vinyl. That should be pretty exciting. At the very least, it'll be informative. Once again, this has been Jay Styles. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And as always, you guys be kind, and I'll catch you on the next one.